The question is whether that manuscript has come into the public domain. The question is not that, whether it has been published or not. The question is whether the contents of that manuscript have been challenged by the Honorable Defense Minister or not. That is the question. Question is not who has published or not. Sir, sir, our country. Sir, सुनिए ना सर, सुनिए.
Request is kindly conclude.
सुनिए सर, आप बाहर में हमको डार्लिंग बोल के पुकारता है, इधर टाइम नहीं देता है, ये क्या है सर? जरा टाइम तो दे दीजिए डार्लिंग को. सर दे दीजिए.
I can't favor you. I can't favor you. I have given you maximum.
देश को कंट्रोल कर रहा है 4 आदमी. 2 आदमी देश को जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो बेच देते हैं और 2 आदमी वो खरीद लेते हैं. अरे 4 आदमी गुजरात से आते हैं सर.
राहुल गांधी
से 4 आदमी से गुजरात से आते हैं सर. Kindly just I will just finish
already.
Sir, I will just finish. This union budget which has deprived the Bengal, the pupils of the Bengal in the ensuing election give an appropriate answer and we will find that the BJP is non-existent in the state of West Bengal.
Shri Rahul Gandhi ji.
Sir, FM is not here, sir.
No.
Finance Minister is not here for a
Finance Minister is here.
Leader of opposition speaking also.
You are very senior member. There is a collective responsibility of the government. Already Minister of State Finance is here.
Sir,
Mr. Pankaj is here. Parliamentary Affairs Minister is here. Railway Minister is here.
Sir, this is a budget discussion.
Certainly he will come.
Sir,
certainly he will.
हम जानते हैं
already Minister of
आप हर
Finance
समय बात उठाना ही है, बिना मतलब से आप पॉइंट बढ़ाते रहते हैं.
You have made your point. You have made your point.
Whenever the leader of opposition speaking in the House, that too in a budget discussion, Honorable Finance Minister presents his conventional, sir.
Already Finance Minister State is here. Please, Rahul
Finance
Gandhi.
Minister is not here, sir.
Ajay, please, you take your.
Okay, you decide whatever you want.
No, I'm not. I think so.
Please don't use his word. He is not deciding on whatever he wants. आप वेणुगोपाल से, you are a senior person. How can you make this statement against the chair? You know that there is a collective responsibility.
Just wait.
We are all members of the cabinet. MOS is sitting there. Minister will be coming soon. Don't make issue on this thing. This is just a minor thing. We don't know when Rahul Gandhi is coming. First he said he is coming at 12. And there is a discussion going on parallelly in Rajya Sabha. Don't make this an issue. Leader of opposition is going to speak. We came to know later. We were not aware of it. We are here to listen.
Thank you for letting me speak today on the budget. Thank you, Rijiju ji, for your comments. I appreciate them. Some time back, Rijiju ji asked me, how do I keep fit? You recall that? And I mentioned to him that I do jiu-jitsu, I do martial arts. And lots of people now in India, youngsters do martial arts. MMA is becoming very popular. Judo is there, jiu-jitsu is there, many different types of martial arts. And जो मार्शल आर्ट की जो फाउंडेशन होती है स्पीकर सर, वो ग्रिप से शुरू होती है. जब हम शुरुआत करते हैं